Hi guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Fola. If you are seeing me for the first time, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make black soap for your baby boy or baby girl. You can as well make this black soap if you want to sell it. If you know people that, if you have a target audience for black soap for children, this is the right video for you. Let's get right into it. Hello again and welcome back to another video. My name is Fola. I usually film about skincare, lifestyle, beauty and all of that good stuff. Do make sure you watch this video to the very end, and please try watch 2, 3 or more videos in the channel so that you can be convinced that you should subscribe to this channel. Okay, so speaking of black soap allows you to making of black soap by yourself allows you to monitor whatever you put inside it. So you tend to read up about it. Okay, so these are the ingredients I can use, and you read up. Can I use this one? Do I want my child to have this one in their skincare regimen? Do I want to put this one on my child's skin? You know, it just allows you to make decisions by yourself and not just buying something that other people have made. So the first things first, you need of course your black soap, your normal black soap, the ones they wrap in the brown envelope. And there's a way I actually, you know, that soap also has original and it has the fake one. So this is how I know it. The original one, they wrap the two types inside the brown envelope, but the original one, like when you see it, the brown envelope has like is already soaked, because that soap is very soft. So most times when they store them, they melt. So when you see anyone that the skin, the soap is like stained, the envelope is already stained, like it's soaked or wet, I feel like that is the one I usually go for, because I know that it means that it has melted, which means it is original. But the other one that's usually very fresh and fine inside the envelope, it could mean that they just packed it, or it could mean that it is not the original black soap. So you really want to, most times when you want to buy your organic black soap, your original raw black soap, please tilt towards the one that has melted on the carton. That way you know that you are definitely getting the original. So yeah, you will also be needing jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is a very good moisturizer. It is very safe for kids. It helps to moisturize the skin. It helps to, you know, just radiate the skin from within. You're also going to be needing shea butter. And shea butter is, of course, naturally you'd use shea. Some people actually use shea butter to just cream their baby's skin. It is a very good moisturizer. You will also be needing almond oil. Sweet almond oil it has to be one of my favorite oils, right? It is a very lightweight oil. It is not thick at all. It is not going to clog their pores. It's not going to feel heavy on their skin. It is very good. Castor oil is also a very good oil that you want to use. Castor oil helps to heal any cuts. It helps to heal the skin. It helps to moisturize the skin. It is very natural. You'll be needing aloe vera. Everybody knows that. I'll be writing the benefits of all the oils that all the ingredients I just mentioned. I'll be writing their benefits on the screen, or you can just Google them and see what they do for yourself. So you'll be needing aloe vera gel as well. You'll be needing Camwood, and in Yoruba we call Camwood osun, right? You'll be needing osun. So those are the things you'll be needing. Right now I'm just going to be telling you the measurements and the things you'll be using. So yeah, for your black soap, now when you buy one black soap, you should use like 3/4 of the soap. Don't use half. If you use half, it might not really, it might be too much it might be too small for this or that one, and you should not use a whole pack. So just use like 3/4 of a black soap. You get it and put it in a mortar and pestle. If you don't have mortar and pestle, feel free to put it in a bowl that you can, you know, cover and just leave, or just mix or somehow. So you'll be needing mortar and pestle. Basically you need mortar and pestle. You will need 3 tablespoons of shea butter. Yeah, 3 tablespoons of shea butter. So when you put your black soap inside your mortar and pestle, try to break them into pieces so that it will be easy to mix up your other ingredients with everything. Do you understand? So buy your black soap, put like 3/4 of it in a butter and pestle, put 3 tablespoons of shea butter. So take your spoon and scoop 3 spoons of shea butter, add it to it. You'll be needing 2 tablespoons of glycerin. Now we have 2 different kinds of glycerin. We have whitening glycerin and we have vegetable glycerin. Please go for vegetable glycerin. Do not use whitening glycerin on anything that is meant for your child. Okay, vegetable glycerin, you'll be needing 2 tablespoons of that. For your jojoba oil, you'll be needing 3 tablespoons of jojoba oil. Yeah, 3 tablespoons of jojoba oil. Jojoba oil, people also call it jojoba oil. So anyone you choose to call it, you'll be needing 3 tablespoons of the jojoba oil. My very special almond oil, you'll be needing 2 tablespoons of almond oil. So, you know, just keep adding. After you have broken the soap into pieces, add your shea butter, add your jojoba oil, then add your almond oil to it. add your glycerin, then sulfur. Sulfur helps to like soften the skin, and it helps to clear any body rashes, any rashes that may be on the skin, like itch rashes or anything of such. And also helps the soap to work effectively onto the skin. So you'll be needing 2 tablespoons of sulfur. You will need 2 tablespoons of sulfur. You will also be needing 2 tablespoons of castor oil. Castor oil is a very, very good oil. It helps, apart from the fact that it helps with hair growth. If you use it on your hair, it helps with hair growth. If you use it on your skin, it helps to rejuvenate the skin. It helps the skin to heal if there's any cut. And babies, they might have maybe itch rashes while they are crawling, they have injured themselves while they went to school, they have scratched themselves with something or the other. Castor oil helps to hasten the recovery process, same as shea butter. And then you'll be needing 2 tablespoons of your raw organic aloe vera gel. So if you can grab aloe vera gel, fresh aloe vera, pluck it and then scoop out 2 tablespoons, or you buy original aloe vera gel. This is the one I use, and it's also very safe for kids. You can also use that 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. And your osun, guys, you cannot make black soap for kids without using osun. Osun is Camwood. Yeah, you need 2 tablespoons of osun. Okay, if you are Yoruba, you probably know that when they want to pray for pregnant women, they tell them that they will put hand inside a bowl of osun and use it to rub their baby, or use it to rub themselves and all. It has nothing to do with this, but I'm just saying that osun is very, very good for children. It helps to make their skin look very radiant and all of that. So that is all you'll be needing. Just get a mortar and pestle, pound all of this together, and then the oils will make everything come together. And as long as you are using enough soap, the soap will lather just well. Pack everything, pound everything very, make sure they are well incorporated. Try as much as possible to make it as soft as possible, so that when you are bathing your baby's skin, it just glides softly on their skin. Pack everything together, mix everything together, and put it in your container. There you have your black soap for your baby. Okay, that'll be all for this video, guys. Please make sure you click the subscribe button, click the thumbs up button, and feel free to share this video with your family and friends. And I will see you in another video. Peace out.